What is going on there, YouTube fellas and family? So, toy hunting hasn't been great lately. Not a lot of things going out there, but hopefully within the next month, I think there's a huge wave of everything coming. But today, we're going to do an unboxing. We got these guys. I picked these guys up a little while ago. So we got the Lightning Collection Tenga Warrior. We'll be going over this, checking them out. I think they're pretty cool. Always nice to get some villains to fight with the Rangers that we currently have. But the packaging is pretty much the same from all the Lightning collections. The little artwork, Lightning collection. Not too shabby. But let's not waste any time. Like always, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We always got something going on. Been absent lately, just been busy at work, but had some time today, and like I said, toy hunting really hasn't been great, but we will do some unboxings. Because that's what we do on this channel. We just make sure we take everything out of the box. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Comes with a little lightning effect. That's pretty cool. Comes with his eggs. Oh, look at this. Alright. Got some wings. So let's take those things out real quick. This one might be able to slide out. Yeah. There we go. For all you that know about the Power Rangers, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe these guys appeared in Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. I believe it was season 3. Season 3 is when they first appeared. Again, if I'm wrong, please leave in the comments. Correct me. I believe it was season 3 when they appeared, but even when they appeared, so a little backstory is when they first actually appeared, they weren't hatched yet. They were a bunch of these little eggs. As you can see, pretty nice detail on the eggs too. That's pretty cool. Oh, I wonder what, oh, okay. So maybe this lightning egg. But yeah, season 3, they appeared. What was it? Rita Repulsa's brother, I believe it was. Rito Rotolta or something like that. He's like that skeleton looking guy. But he was on the moon and pretty much planted all these eggs on the moon. So I guess if you want to count these eggs as a first appearance, that's when they first appeared. And then also they hatched and turned into your Tenga Warriors. What's cool about these guys, oh, look at that, the mouth opens, that's cool. What's cool about these bad guys is that unlike, because they're pretty much just foot soldiers, just like the putty guys were. But what's cool about these guys, okay, so looks like the feathers and stuff go in here. What's cool about these guys is that they actually talked. So that was pretty cool. And let's figure this out. Ooh, okay, I'll see that one does not go there. Oh, okay. There's a little R there, so that's right. So, right. Front, rear. Oh, What? Oh, front and rear. Okay, so that's the rear. This is a little confusing. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh, that's cool. It's got a nice blue metallic look to it. Let's see. Left. Okay, so this gotta go here. Right? This just has an L on it. So that would be here. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. We're slowly getting them together. Hold on. So this one says right. So this one goes here. Actually, a lot of accessories for this little one. And regular price lightning figure. The oh, sorry about that. Nothing crazy, just the same old $19.99 price tag. And I'll tell you one thing, for just being $19.99, he comes with several different accessories. Granted, it makes him look what he is. He comes with 1, 2, he even got feathers in here. Wow, he's got actually a feather in here. Where does that go to? Probably his... That's weird. I guess you could just make him look a lot different, whatever which ones you want. Because I don't see any... I don't see any other peg holes. Okay, let's just put the main wings on real quick. So this is an L. So this is for the left. But yeah, it's nice. He's got a lot of accessories, and again, no upcharge and figure price. So that's always nice. I do like it when you get a lot of accessories and you don't really have to pay for it. Because let's face it, some of these things are expensive as it is. And then just because they want to add these wings backwards. Just because they want to price their things. Just because they have a lot more accessories, that's never fun. Here we go. Boom, there he goes. There he is. Because look at this. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 5, 6, 7. You get 2 different hands. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You really have like 12 different accessories, and he's as you can tell, he's not a slender man. He's a pretty thick figure. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Like I showed you earlier, his mouth opens, which is nice. Because like I said, these guys actually talked in this show, unlike the putties who just mumbled everywhere. So he's got pretty good rotation. I could probably spin his head all the way around, but I can see that's going to cause like paint smear. Some great detail in his face, his eyes, his hair. It's cool they have like this blue metallic kind of look to them. Yeah, he looks up pretty okay. Like you could tell somewhat he's looking up. Down, not so much, because he's got the feathers all around his neck. He's got minimal minimum amount of head tilt. Alright, he's got torso rotation. Does he have hip too? No, no hips. But he does have a crunch. Look at that. He's got like a double crunch going on here. Yep. So that's pretty nice. So you can really crank him down or crank him back. Got bicep swivel. Pretty good arm lift. Obviously it stops right there because of this cauldron here. Same thing on this side. Oh, he's even got a butterfly. Look at that. Look at that butterfly. That's a nice one. Well, I guess you would have to, since he is a bird, he's got to be able to flap his wings. Bicep. Does it come with a double elbow? Pretty sure it's a single elbow. Sorry to tell with the feathers in there, but single elbow action. Yeah, look at his hands. Nicely detailed. Bird-like, claw-like feathers. He does have articulation in the hands, but not much because, as you can tell, all that feather kind of blocks a lot of it. But you can get some fairly good movement in there. And I'll say 360. Not too bad. Coming down to his legs, he's got thigh, ankle rockers. You got some heel to toe action. Not too much, but just enough. And let's see. Yep, he's got a double knee though. So that's nice. Double knee there. Would have been nice if they gave him one more, like a calf or boot rotation, but I'll take the thigh any day. So yeah, not too shabby. I like him. He's cool. Definitely will fit into my Power Ranger themes. So yeah, if you see him, he's out there. I've come across a couple of these guys now, but I'm good. I'll stick with just my two. But yeah, if you see him, pick him up. He's pretty cool. And for the price tag, I think he's well worth it, really. All the accessories, all the detail. Like, you get a lot of different paintwork here. So I think if you are a Lightning Collection person, or you just like Power Ranger villains, he's a must pick up. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you pick him up. But yep, that's him. That's the Tenga Warrior from the Mighty Morphin Lightning Collection. So, like always, please like the video, share the video, share some comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you've been doing. And until the next unboxing or the toy hunt, this is Gonzo. I'll see you guys later.